So hello friends, today we are going to print right half diamond star pattern. So this is pattern is same as my previous pattern which I have explained in my previous video. Just in that video we are printing our left side, but in this we are printing our right side. So let's discuss how to print this pattern. So first of all I will take, as always, n is 5, or just how much is 4 5 6 7. Okay, just I'm taking n is 7. It is as same as just I'm taking input from the users. After that, what can I do? First of all, I am going to print my outer loop for int I equals to how starting from 1, then I less than equals to n, and I plus plus. So it is for my outer loop. In this, first of all, we define three things. First, int n equals to 7, which is previously defined. I defined this. After that, int space should be n minus 1. Okay. After that, int star equals to 1. So it is the initial value of all things, because you see in this the value should be starting from 1, and the space should be n minus 1. If I am taking that uh, in my previous start right triangle pattern, left triangle pattern, if you carefully observe, so you will understand this. Okay. Okay, just it is not the right half triangle, just it is left half triangle. Okay, just forgot to the name. After that, what will we do? So we initialize these things from our starting. Okay, after that, uh, we print. First of all, we are printing spaces, because in this there is one, then 1 2 and 3 spaces. After that, 1 2 spaces and 1 spaces. After that, it will increasing order. First of all, it spaces is decreasing order. After that, it will in increasing order. Okay, 1 2. Okay, yeah, this is only 2. 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, so we should print this type of pattern. First it will decreasing order, and second one, then it will increasing order. So initially only we do that for int j equals to 1, j less than equals to space. Okay, j less than equals to space, then j plus plus. Initially it will print the spaces. So after that I will explain you everything when I am dry running the code. System dot out dot print what will this space. After that, what we should print? We are printing stars for int k equals to 1, starting from 1. Our always initial value should be 1, then k less than equals to star. Okay, then j, oh sorry, k plus plus. So it will we are printing system dot out dot print. We are printing what we are printing? We are printing stars. Okay. Okay, just now our main code will run this. Okay, starting from there I will apply a if condition. What if? First of all, it will in decreasing order. Okay, if space is greater than I. Okay, if space is greater than I, what I mean, space is greater than I means if i's in first value, the I value is 1 and the space value is 3, so space is greater than I. So what can I do? If space is greater than I, what we want to do? First of all, we want to decrease the spaces. Okay, because we are doing in decrement order, so we are decreasing the spaces and increasing the stars. Okay, if initially I value is 1, so space is 3. After that I value becomes 2 and spaces also become 2, and I value become 3, space become 1. So space is doing in going in decreasing order, but stars is going in increasing order. So first of all, space, what will we do? Space equals to, what is this? Space minus 1. Okay, what is space minus 1? What will we say? Then if space minus 1, what we initialize? Space minus 1, and 7 minus 1, how much it will? 6. Okay, initially it will 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, just forgot this, the space is minus 1. Okay, uh, space should be minus 1. The initial space value should be decreasing. Okay, just if space is 3, then it will decrease by 1, then it will decrease by 1, then it will decrease by 1. Okay, first of all it will means 4, then 2, then 1, then 0 it will. Okay, so space minus 1, but star should be increasing by 1. Okay, so it is for our half path. For this path it is only for this path. After that we apply one more condition, else if else if space is less than I, what will happen? If else if space is less than I, means space should be there 0 and it is less than I. So what happens? Space will increasing, star will decreasing. So as we space in above, we space decreasing the space, but in this space will, our space will increasing by 1, our star will decreasing by 1, minus 1. Okay, so after that what we do? We simply do system dot out dot print ln. Okay, then close the loop. So here is my whole code. What will I do till from there to there? Okay, so now if I will going to try run the code. Okay, first initially we are printing 7 rows using nth. Okay, for half of our pattern space will increase. Okay, so if I is for half the pattern, space will increase. For after half the pattern, space will decrease. Half the pattern space will decrease, half the pattern space will increase. Okay, so for half the pattern, how we have this? So initially we are halving the value using if condition. Okay, so if space is less than I, initially we are giving spaces 3. Okay, then 2, then 1. Okay, so through that if space is less than I, so previously I explained this, if the I value is 1 and the nth value space value is 3. Okay, so space is automatically greater than I, so we are decreasing by 1. Okay, or star is increasing by 1. Okay, so that's way we can print our left half triangle star pattern. Okay, so it is very easy and simple. You can also use this. So if you love this video, please hit the like button. If this video is useful to you, so please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.